Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you spend any time watching my channel, you probably know that I like to keep healthy and I like to be outdoors. So one of my big goals was to actually do more than 100 miles in 1 month, and I have achieved that. But now I want to take it to another level, and today what I want to do is do 20 miles or more. And so typically what I do is anywhere from 6 to 8 miles. So if you could see there, I did 8.79 miles yesterday, and so doing 20 miles or more, it's going to be pretty huge. I'm kind of scared because I've never done that before, number one, and then number two, it is pretty cold out there. It's like in the 30s, kind of windy, it might even rain, but this is something I'm going to have to do in order to go up to that next level. Now, before I actually get into that, I'm going to have to get some healthy food in, and so I'm going to do that by making a healthy shake. So I'm going to go over some of the stuff that I put in this shake before we go out there and get some miles in. So this is what I got going on here. I got some kale, got some blueberries, strawberries, carrots, banana, and I'm going to mix that all in with some almond milk. Okay, so you can see there, I got everything in there. All I got to do now is put it in the blender. Just blend it. Okay, so the shake is ready to go, so let's go ahead and get some energy in. Okay, power energy shake done. And then here, it's actually 8:30 a.m. Here is what I did yesterday. And so today is going to be an adventure and a challenge to say the least. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so I'm actually done. And so this was a huge challenge for me. This is something that I've never done before. To do 20 miles or more in a single day actually seemed like a crazy thing, and it seemed more like an impossibility. So how did I actually do? Well, looking at this right here, it looks like I did it. I did 20.96 miles. And in terms of my total time is 401 minutes, which is 6 hours and 41 minutes of walking. And then if I actually compare that to the times I did yesterday, I did 8.79 miles yesterday. So as you can see there, yeah, that's pretty insane for me. And so this was a very big challenge, and that's something that for some reason I always wanted to do. And now that I've done it, it's now time to think about the next level. So that is it for my Geek Challenge today. If you had any of your own, or you had any of your own thoughts on the things that I did today, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com. And I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.